Dan Breezeboy here with answers to your seedy questions. Sadie asks, how long do you keep your seeds? There's two ways to answer that. One way is to say, I've kept seeds for quite a while. We just took out some seeds that I harvested in 2013, some mustard breeding lines that were growing out again to reselect. So we just took them out. I wasn't sure what they were going to do, and they germinated in the 90%. So I was thrilled for that. I've kept tomato seeds. You know, I've gone back to tomato seeds that are 9 or 10 years old without problems. So I've had a number of seeds that have lasted quite a while. On the other hand, I've had a few seed lots that after 2 years weren't so hot. Not that many, but still more than I'd like. So the second way to answer that question is, how long do I plan on keeping seeds? And so that's different than how long seeds can keep. So I plan on keeping seeds for about 3 years. In general, I find that with good storage conditions, and good storage conditions means dry and constant temperature. It can be cool, but even room temperature, dry and constant, is going to keep seeds for a bit. So with those conditions, we can keep seeds, usually reliably for 3 years. So that's what I plan around. And that means that if I'm growing one variety of a species, I could grow a different variety each year for 3 years, and that way I can maintain three varieties. So I've got to grow enough for 3 years each time. If I have 2 isolation spots on my farm, I could grow 2 different varieties of the same species each year for 3 years. That would give me 6 varieties over that period. And 6 varieties of the same species, usually that's quite a lot of diversity for a lot of farms. 3 years is about how long I plan on keeping seeds for. If they last longer, that's just a bonus. Thank you, Sadie, for sending in your question. And if you have any seed questions, please click on the link beneath here, beneath this video, and send them my way. I'd love to answer them in a future video. Thanks for watching, subscribe and all that stuff, and go out and grow some seed.